Hello, I'm Michele Dougherty. I'm head of physics department at Imperial College and also professor of space physics. Last year, I gave the Faculty of Natural Sciences annual Schrödinger lecture on the Cassini spacecraft mission at Saturn, and you can actually find the link to this recording just below the video that you can see now. Since then, the research I've been working on has been on two separate areas. One is a continued work on the Cassini end of mission data, because what we're trying to do is tease as much as we can out of the data set. And then the other area that I've been focusing on is working to ensure that we design and we build the new magnetometer instrument that we're going to fly on the European Space Agency mission that will go to Jupiter. So please, what I would love for you to do is to join me for the science breaks on Thursday the 16th of July at 12:30. I'm going to talk about both of these two topics, and also there will be a live question and answer session afterwards. So I hope to see you all then. Take care. Bye-bye.